In this video, we're going to demonstrate shortcuts and buttons in Google Docs. This is how to fill in a Google Doc template automatically based on a form entry. This is just a typical Google form. If you've used Google Forms before, and we'll go through them in this course, you'll know that you can have the results, the responses from the person, go into a Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet with the responses. This is the button we'll click to create the letter. And this is the sheet where the responses go. You can see we have some sample data in there. Based on a little bit of simple code, and we'll again go through this in the course, you can take this template and replace all these placeholders with the information from this Google Sheet to create an offer letter. Obviously, this works for any kind of data. Anything that goes into a form and then into a sheet can then be used to replace template data in a Google Doc. So let's try it. So you can see we have our data here. Let's go to the other sheet. Let's click to draft the letter. The script will run. It's running the code that we had written right here. This will just take a second. It's done. Now you'll see this is the template. If you go here, you'll see the script has replaced all the templated placeholders with the actual information from the form. So this is, again, really flexible. You can apply this to lots of different situations. It's just another example of if you have a repetitive task that with a little bit of tech skills, a little bit of code, you can make it efficient, save some time, and do some really cool things.